Is your Samsung dryer not heating? If you have this problem with your dryer, you should know some tips that can help you. These are tips you can try to solve the problem yourself without calling a technician. Going through this problem is very unpleasant for many people. If it is summer or winter, a dryer is always essential at home. If you feel like your dryer is failing, there are specific steps you should take to verify where the problem may be coming from. The Samsung dryer heating issue can be due to the blocked vent, worn out wires, faulty heating element, or thermal cutout fuse. We suggest you check the clogged air vent and heating element, as they are the source of the problem in most cases. Problem 1. Clogged dryer vent. One of the most common reasons why a Samsung dryer not heating adequately is a blocked air vent. The venting system of the Samsung dryer allows moist air from wet clothes to escape from the machine and to the outside. A clogged vent can cause heating issues. Due to long usage, many times, the vent may become clogged. Sometimes small particles may get stuck inside the lint filter and air vent, which will block airways passage. Although cleaning the lint filter after each drying cycle helps prevent clogging, dirt and debris can still get inside the air vent. In this case, the moist air cannot escape, and the clothes will remain wet, and the dryer will not dry clothes. If you observe that the dryer drum is hot, you can safely say that it is due to a clogged vent. So to avoid these issues, we advise you to clean the dryer at least twice a year. Problem 2. Overloading issues. If your wet laundry accumulates near the top of the dryer drum, it means you are guilty of overloading. After the max capacity is reached, the dryer's heated air will not be able to circulate sufficiently, and the clothes may remain damp at the end of the cycle. You can refer to the user manual to know the correct capacity of the dryer. If you don't have a user manual, we recommend that you only fill up to 75% of the Samsung dryer's height. It will allow the hot air to circulate correctly inside the machine. Problem 3. Burnt heating element. As we have already mentioned before, a faulty heating element can be why a Samsung dryer is not heating adequately. The heating element's primary function is to keep the dryer hot enough so that it can efficiently dry the clothes. But if due to some reason, the heating element is burnt out, then the dryer will run, but it will dry the clothes. So it is important to avoid any further damage. You must clean the vent regularly and check the heating element regularly. Problem 4. Blown up thermal fuse. If the thermal fuse blows and the dryer does not overheat, the fuse may be malfunctioning. You need to check the thermal fuse with a multimeter and do a continuity test. If it fails the test, then the thermal fuse is faulty, and you should replace it. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.
Price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video and don't forget to hit the like button.